Happy squad. I can't even know what I was saying. Happy. Happy fall, Happy Squad. So today we're gonna do unboxing of my Birchbox today. Let's get started. So today, let's see what I got in here. Ooh, we have, today is this little thing. It's CHELLA. Chella little thing here. Let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It's a little palette. Shelly eyeshadow palette. And I love it. Ooh, I got a little brush today. It's Luxie Beauty brush today. That's so cool today. I got a brush. I loved it. I use it with the eyeshadow palette. And today is a DEDE shampoo. DEDE conditioner. And the Luxie brush. This is really cool. Divine ED shampoo, I liked it. The Beans conditioner, I liked it. I made my hair soft. And the two last things you are gonna have is this. Ooh, let's see what it is. Beard Zero, Be Gentle, Be Kind, Avocado, and Kiwi Rainbow Moisturizer Superfood Mask. I really liked it and makes my hair soft. And the last thing is eye creamer. Vanilla eye cream, but I gave it to my sister. If you don't like it, you can give it to a family member, boyfriend, or girlfriend. Well, that's all for me today, guys. So like and subscribe, and please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification. Mwah! Bye, Happy Squad. So cute. Can't wait to try it out. Stop it. Can you put movers in? Mwah!